channel. Hui tinsi miri che lu so longje da cheba lu tonangi gi geje pau pamunangi kati jedenda nyanye gudu che ngaje kamachi nangyu. Uzuna. Di Jesu Canada Ontario Puri Chidin Sobe Social Sing Tunjuk Lane Kasha Gi Sungjin Georgia Nangyo.
Ngardele tari de pebe sege pumu samala ani ngardele shweda ani ngade tari Ontario ngade tuzo timi Alexa Gilmore tari ngade chikuna yure ani Alexa Gilmore kra tari ngade de kunju nyabola ani dinene chije tada kemi shungza bodu samon nyabola ngade kra pigi yure and someone Alexa Gilmore to chishei. So we have Alexa Gilmore here, honorary NPP from Cargill High Park. And Alexa will be actually accompanying us through the rally from here to the Chinese consulate. And thank you very much for your presence and for coming. And then I'll be conducting the top doing any Buddhist sharing on the Mimam Hinge Mamushu Pesha and Tomadi to Sheshui. And Tanang Lingen the any Heavy Rawan Gela Sunju to Dane Tang to Jurabimba, Shunde Zegor Kasha, Tamshi, Mangan Yushui. Tarini Chilochidong Gangajung Agulor, Peggy Gesa Hassan, Gana Marbu Tinzu La Mugurta, Chino Honskenga Chimochogi, Kuchan, Due Jonge Goche, Shusum Pimiseke Yongi, Shimbamebe, Gone, Rawan Gelanche, the Milutu of Dukobe to Jengi Nimuimbe, Kashagi, Petisi, Mirigi, Tundu, Luso Longe, Ledanangi, Nawe, Gejipao Pamunamla, Yange Pududa, Tadan, Gashun, Ki Tene, Pimirigi, Mo, Chinzi, Simshu. Eruption tembe shishu pinda namla dungsim nyamge shibi ngalor kashagi gawe godun da tu chamze lohor sungji shushimadi chino hongsyamge chimo choge chamze tenju di kole khetlan chimur khabe gi mansur karnyok ki mirengore semgi chamze lenge semje thamje la dewa drubata dungye lekyobe shara kiechi jomi tumungi ngonde te chi nerge jigde di Junkam Tunyongda, Nang Chugi Semje Nam Shide Pabe Neta Dangla Kandu Chidogi Mojula, Mibashi. Wanso Yichi Logi Cheshawashini, Jangu Mipangi Jude Dareshilungle, Chambe Tomni Semje, Quinko, Joa Midon wa She Sumata, Semje Gula Cabbage Hambada, Tamjila Dewadrube Chava, Le Midonwe, Consa, Chogi Chamze Tenjudi, Numon Tusongi, Nueve, Gamal Kongde Shunda, Te Wanzi Banamgi, Dan Dube, Longe Shite, Zawe Pella Jugu Imba, Tuzu Nachi Zamla Tuyu. Tadeja Gashungi, He Miri Maibe, Pumi, Sun, Miri Tangme, Tama, Tosu Chebe, Tuhan Mirigi, Duchailu, Zengeki, Tuhan Miri, Chitu, Duduki, Dushe, Tenzu, Gulu Date, Gekaki, Truko, Mala Yonzo, Kujuki, Penangi, Nuju Niga, Sameton, Siju, Shiga Chasing. Shiga chasing Tinsuki, Gune, Lata Chashimate, Kaba, Puru Sayachi Ha, Misepi, Rinul, the Teja Lodina Jude, Puriki, Lishungi, Loti, Sunzita, Maru Tajugi, Lever Chishe Chashimate, Nyamje Gesona, Arishun, Europe Trezo, Geji, Shimju Deha, Sone, Miri Zengyuda, Mala de Metone, Ishumoda, Sadorimba, Mujina Yobatan, Kaba. Nyamje Gesogi, Chege Choshungi, Niendo, Yidoni Sadu, China Tangbe Tseni Sani in Tembena, Lili Jongdata, Niezu Nusho, Pege, Sola, Shidami Yu, Shigecheve Gone, Pegi, Rombatan, Joba, Nam, Shibotan, Niezu, Zengu Cheshebe Gorla, Chilochidon, Chilonidone, Nido Zengapar, Misaya Sunda, Sumum Tutikava, Sishongi, Letter de Shugen Tebu, Chetan, Sane Lanar. 진식이 제답 독주 화장실에 제왕기 15원 로 미리라 고에 예주 차시 제 고도에 별이 민물 진동기 제가 마신점을 주긴 되게 결승이 배윤낭데 가봐 결승이 배윤낭데 중국 진세와 시주 라다 제당골라 아리 게지 최대라원 현조기 말년도나 말라데베 냐네 제당 디리니 리쇼자도리 니지다 용수 튀유치 세유 Tingsan Gashungi, Mala, Zajim Telo, 진경 거잡다 머림 팀수 견나 자팀탕 미리 사본 랑용이 팀이 제수 미리기 토단 길레 제바 남 냠에 삼 칠도 제답 사바 용협도 라다 제시기 도르드나 냠제게 소단 게지 치조나 다데 야콩제 슝기 변나 라다 제시베 시주라 동지 홍도가 바타 게슝기 차제 대리니 냠제게 소기 침시동 경합중 아직 나와 당도 세 중이 닌 라다 고조 체베 미리 자도기 예주 문고단 세계 퇴칭 된전입에 차기 카 시수 문제 나와시 인데 퇴칭 된전 선배 낭세 카 시수 세계 예벌 제고베 예벌 제고바 차유 진 야슝게 별이 짬에기 시주 대리라 당내 미체게 당 무게 백현남 진송 가기 당尊주기 체계 제바 윤대다고 차유 이나 야나슝게 왕진바 최 농어 야차 드메콩 미세비 링루 제답제대 여기 누주니가 짬에 동에 시주대 콩교 탐매버니 윤세된베 원에 문바 체토 파바치르시 깨바 투메 nga르네 퓨유 뒤저즈베 토게테 파티우 전주세베 남주기 조와 토마 빼시 바두 결련 전주세베 로거 장례 데베 베다 퓨미 데데 야체 깡다 경시바타 깨바 남네 아 차동 진동기 베다 퓨미 르 동민나웨 야담치 여바리 여베 동란예베 공제링루라 탐비 공례링루라 탐비 야나마숑기 벽이 누주 니가 자돌 동주 년주 랑롱 조사 시 예네메 벽이 나가문에 야나게 차셰 민버 야 공제기 제송치베 예갑지 임바타 벽이 내드디 야나기 낭시 내드 마임버 타주메베 게지 내드 시임바 아리 슝기 템베 세다나웨 벽에 간요 세답라 꾸데기 팀이기 세드나요바타 야외 양식고라 야나 슝기 철로기 람스에다 찹지기 상주 예바터데 차게 숨 한로 체베 게지 지존네 팀이다 주주 자당소 야도 숨주 소시 잠베데 몰레메베 랑초 세드나요나 야슝기 무디 수수이 년지데 야나타 변나 지자다 르규자 미페시마 마세 야나 슝기 꾸주 체베 벤체 겐제 누구다 라르레 숨 꾸주 체데 송도단 땀시에게 잡된 점이 퇴시바데 대리 하다다 마음에 강도나 강도가 수강기 몰레메 메니니 다른지는 어떤 좀 구제 샤베 깨야 되지 나지 제부 시간 제일 시원 타가 누구가 그런 보다가 샤소 그데 시제 비밀남 순절 되게 필요를 해서 유도로 민디체 가샤기 그거를 한주 마선 다음에 내가 수로 이동이 서로 나올 수 있을 추나 그렇잖아 아니 참여기 드리데 배워데 아니 우리데 미세 브리지 소베기 sab시 아니 우리데 소바 뒤에 sab시데 아니 배워데 아니 투체 쉬어다 아니 다른기 그다음 좀 만들 정보디 되게 공부 쉬워 내신 것들 쓰라 먼저기 그다 만들 정보기 랑가 요치래 아니 마치 그 스페라냐네 아니 아파 장을 두고도 스페라냐네 아니 아무도 블로스티드치 블로스티드네 세인조르지네 먼저 다 딜라 제미슝자 아니 뭐데 시그이 비게 저소래 내게 삼마 디네 탄다 게다리 게다 모두 베베 게다 먹무슈디 나뭐 투체나 그런 것도 페레라 게다 먹무슈지 모두 수요 아니 레게도 잡어 게다 메바다 체다 메바 그 나로나 아무도 디 무스 템페디 페시고 슈르샤 한 캐나다기 모두 게다디 모두 막주삼 근데 저기시 내게도 그 레버 제시이 투체나
谢谢。
야 넘버도 게 숙제된다요. 온다 다들이 숙제 잡고 다做봐. 들이 자야 그 네모지 차대요라. 배션노 타마 아니 지제 유르카 사자 거와이나라 들이 숨주들이 그 뒤에 레버다 낭치매베 타메 잡고라. 어느 가로서 쪼로쪼노 타메 그 세션도 섬서지 제거다. 게 체제야 가도 백개 자야다로 타마 가도 타마 백개 머신이 요 말와. 들이 다들이 토마든 아래 기벤 거니 삼시 굳이 슈초지 들이 순제 몸부 십지 패샤와 춘추드자 랍데가 부드자 아니 들이 따다 추바고 언제지 오늘 백이 자다키 들이자 몸부들자 참말라 두시에 까지 수에다 다행이다 배결로 야로드지 게 슈체데다 굳이 바 다리 바 되냐드지 슈체데야 배결로 백이 다부 배미에 백이 다부 배미에 자마 배니 파주시 자마 배니 파주시 배결로 자와 땡지 장조 끝을 철러댄 바쇼 자와 땡지 장조 끝을 철러댄 바쇼 백된다 녀드세바쇼 백된다 녀드세바쇼 숙체지에다 슈자가 뭔도와 슈자 배결로 백이 다부 배미에 백이 다부 배미에 자마 배니 파주시 자마 배니 파주시 아마라 봐 아니 롱가니 라만도 바체제 인지 미지메게 페로차 로 아니 당아 춘디니 몽부지 제데게 롱타 림보로 몽부지 쪼데 고구도 텐데자 gem베데 텐데라지 인사라
투지체 바올라 데네 창맹냠도 미망 랑류 동규
랑루 창매 냐보 따로나 와 롱쇼 창매 킹기어와 니로 주다 파구 간토에 샤세리라 아비제니 간주 간토에 샤세리라 공사이시노부 감글지모 공사이시노부
남부서 genshön parsumgi mimangbu shiuchi pesha pe masi ya pure ngak chu yu ding around to changme ge peba yimbe ge zamba sanye chigi pugu yimba da zamba sanye chigi miri yimbe ge ngaran zu ge gende la number 2 ge kur shewa da tangu tuji che shuya yi chida nga phage thanda gyami shung zap tu la ke che shewa yo te ne thari ta ni mangbo chik del in this pedu zamba la da raw me wala chik simshu da masine une ke gi poba che goya gi dinje number 2 gi del ya tugen sheo de tomba da chik mashu ka me da ju to so ani nga pge to ne des che inji to ne des shu choji. I want to thank everyone who's here today. This day, today, March 10th, it is the moral and ethical responsibility of every single Tibetan all over the world. I want to thank Alexa Gilmore, member of the Provincial Parliament, Parkdale High Park. I want to express on behalf of the 7 organizing committee and every single Tibetans here, outside of Canada and in Tibet, I want to express our deepest gratitude for you and your choice to stand with us in solidarity. You are lending your voice to us today. Our voices have been ignored for a long time, but for you, as a member of a provincial parliament, you stood up to walk with us. And I hope the Canadian government will not choose to ignore your voice. I'm going to say a few things in Tibetan and then I'm going to come back to English. Ngaran zu pe paring hingon zu ke gya goyagi nuba changmegi nyamro ki ton nuba pungche ke gyabro nang ngon zu Canada gi lungbala rawa lungbala dedu chambala ngon zu pe na yobe gi jinju shugyo pre deya gyagalimba ne re peyulimba ne mangbu chorba khashel ke cha shegi kukap yo mare ngon zu lo kukap da rawan di yore Taring ngonzo kaga deche. Zambulingi nala ngonzo ki tojo ji magyab yimbi na. Di ngonzo ki gyun chimbu shushi chayore. We live in Canada. We have freedom. And we have moral responsibility for Tibetans in Tibet as well. Let's not stay silent today. Let's make noise. Do you wish to make some noise today? Yes. Tibet is for? Tibet. Tibet is for? Tibet. Long live. Long live. Tujichena.
정부시들 시베 혼낸 트란토 산이 텐데 어저와라 산이 수 시베 공주기 레기직 배낭 요래 내가 투지세 시비 ngaje jiring dene chegu dang chaje ju da chege to kimbe unzu gi jana shungda khang du shiwe gongje la phekyu tushena
tushena ana mode parim diye di ani thamu din de la mode mode che ani jana ani ge biba spera ge biba te ani ana do chozo chozo din phero chi shui 아니 디냠보다 된다면서 마셜 근데 차로는 또 참지도 스페로나
China out of Tibet now! China lies! People in China, China! Out, out, out! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! Shame on CCP! Tibetans united will never be defeated! 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 Tibet belongs to! What do we want? When do we want it? When do we want it? China out of Tibet! When do we want it? When do we want it? Shame, shame, shame. Tibet belongs to United Nations. United Nations. United Nations. Stop promoting the fake pension llamas. Stop promoting in Tibet. Stop building dams.
오, 다 가서 디 토론토 police다 가서 라 승격 쟁에 랑가 땡게 해라. 아, 된드래. 여기 스페단 날라서 가라니. All Tibet now! Tibet now!
Learning Tibetan is not a crime. Learning Tibetan, not a crime. Learning Tibetan, not a crime. No human rights in Tibet. No human rights in Tibet. Release the Pigeon Lama now. 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 Release the political prisoners 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 now. Allow media in Tibet. Allow media in Tibet. Allow media in Tibet. Canada, save Tibet. Canada, save Tibet. Canada, save Tibet. Becky Dumbo, Becky Dumbo,
아, 요, 제.
Chinese guilty. Chinese guilty. Shame, shame, China shame. Shame, shame, China shame. China lies.
We want
그런데 신사래.
When do we want it? Wake up, wake up! Wake up, wake up! Tibetans united will never be defeated! Tibetans united! Stop promoting the favorite Lama! Stop promoting! Stop promoting! Stop promoting! We want freedom! When do we want it? Now! Now! When do we want it? Now! Now! China lies! People die! China lies! People die! China lies! People die! Shame! 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 China! 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 China!
난 어제 누가 개미기 순자를 냈으니까 서딘데 남집에하고 항상 사고도
Release the political prisoners now! Release the Benton now! Release Sashi Wanchuk now! Release Sashi Wanchuk now! Long live! Long live! We will!
떠나가지 전화 순자를 했다.
잘못된 발표. 자, 임신 너는 그때 전원이 잘못된 발표. 라울린, 라울린, CCP line, CCP line. Status never. Status never. 맞아, 맞아. 맞아, 맞아. 끝나며. 끝나며. 복귀 더블. 남아분들. 버절로. 버절로.
Hello. Hello.
Tibetans united! We'll never be defeated! Tibetans united! We'll never be defeated! Tibetans united! We'll never be defeated! Long live! Long live! Long live! will never be defeated. Tibetans united will never be defeated. Free Tibet! China out! Free Tibet! China out! China out of Tibet now! 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 Release them! Release! Pergi takpo! Release! Pergi takpo! Release! Kama pene! Hakuchi! Kama pene! Hakuchi! Long live! Release the Benchen Lama now! 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 Release the political prisoners 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 now! Free the Tibetan children now! Free the Tibetan children now! Free the Tibetan children now!
We will now observe a minute of silence for the martyrs who have given up everything for our struggle. Please join us in a minute of silence. Yomi Choga and Usang Choga.
Tashidele, everyone. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Jackie Shukla. I serve as the president of the Tibetan Canadian Association of Ontario. I stand here today representing the March 10th organizing committee, namely Canadian Tibetan Association of Ontario, Regional Tibetan Youth Congress of Toronto, Tibetan Women's Association of Ontario, Dogam Chushikangjo, Ontario Deme Choga, Ontario Uzan Choga, and Students for a Free Tibet, Ontario. I also want to express our deepest gratitude to those who stand with us in solidarity, who lend their voices when ours are ignored, and who remind the world that justice and dignity matter. Thank you, Ms. Alexa Gilmore, member of the Provincial Parliament, Parkdale High Park. Thank you to Jia Jing, former Vice President, Federation of Democratic China.
From the bottom of my heart, thank you for walking this path with us and for standing with Tibet and for keeping hope alive. And today, as we gather here, we remember why we stand together, why for 67 years Tibetans inside and outside our homeland have never stopped striving for freedom, dignity, and the right to live as people in their own land. We stand here not only to honor the past, but to declare that the struggle, the spirit, and the hope of Tibet remain alive and unbroken. 67 years ago, Tibetans filled the streets of Lhasa. Ordinary people stood against soldiers and tanks to defend their homeland and their spiritual leader, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. They knew the cost could be their lives. Many paid that price. CCP crushed the uprising, but they never crushed the Tibetan spirit. Tibet will never be silent. Today we stand here as Tibetan Canadians. Canada gave us that freedom Tibetans inside Tibet still do not have. The freedom to speak, freedom to worship, and the freedom to live without fear. But when you have freedom, you also have responsibility. When injustice happens and you have a voice, silence becomes a choice. And today, we choose to be loud for Tibet. Do you agree? Yes. Monks and nuns are detained for practicing their faith. Writers, teachers, and community leaders disappear for speaking the truth. Hundreds of thousands of Tibetan children are placed in state-run boarding schools separated from their families. Their language is replaced, their culture suppressed, and their identity slowly erased. Canada itself is now confronting the painful legacy of residential schools for Indigenous children, yet in Tibet, this tragedy continues right now. A government that fears a monk's prayer or a child's language is a government that knows its power rests on fear. History has already proven that forced assimilation is not education, it is cultural erasure. Tibet is rich in rivers, minerals, and natural resources, yet Tibetans have no control over their own land. Mountains are mined, rivers are dammed, and communities are displaced while economic programs push Tibetans into labor structures they did not choose. When a land is rich, but its people are powerless, that is not development, that is exploitation. The Chinese government now claims authority over the reincarnation of the Dalai Lama. But the recognition of the Dalai Lama belongs solely to the Tibetan Buddhist community. Canada has long been respected as a country that stands for principle, human rights, and dignity. You can control the land, but you will never control our soul, our spirit. Today we raise the Tibetan flag here in Toronto in defiance and in hope. We will keep marching, we will keep speaking, we will keep educating the world about Tibet. For 67 years, Tibetans have refused to forget who they are. We refuse it wholeheartedly, and as long as we stand together, the spirit of Tibet will never be broken, never be silenced, and never be erased. Pig yellow. Tibet is for? Tibetans. Pig yellow. Pig yellow. Y'all think you got to go to Tibetan show. Tibet is for? Tibetans. Tibet is for? Tibetans. Piggy dogbo. Piggy dogbo. Gama pine. Gama pine. Piggy dogbo. Pig yellow.
Thank you, President Shukla. We are honored to have allies in the halls of government who stand up for human rights. Please welcome our guest speaker, the Member of Parliament for Parkdale High Park, Alexa Gilmore.
I'm a little shorter than Decky. Thank you. Wow, to stand in front of all of you, I am in awe. My name is Alexa Gilmore. I am the very proud Member of Parliament for Parkdale High Park, an honor that was given to me 1 year ago, a trust that was earned and is earned each and every day, and that is why when I was invited by the President, by the 7 organizations, to walk with the people of Parkdale High Park, of the Lakeshore, of Toronto, the Tibetan Canadians who know what freedom is and where it is not. What else could I do but say yes? I walk with you today. And I want to say a huge thank you to the 7 Tibetan organizations, the Canadian Tibetan Association of Ontario, the Regional Tibetan Youth Congress, the Students for a Free Tibet, the Tibetan Women's Association, Dokam Kushi Gandruk, Ontario Dome Association, Ontario Regional Utsang Association, but mostly to each and every one of you. Over the last couple of hours, what I saw was courage walking the streets. What I saw was compassion walking the streets. What I saw was freedom walking the streets. Because while freedom has not yet arrived in Tibet, it is here. It lives in each and every one of you, and it will not die. I saw, that's right. I saw babies in strollers. I saw the wisdom keepers. I heard stories from some of you who have yet to hear from your families in Tibet, and still you walk, and you walk for them. And I have to tell you, as a 5th generation Canadian, Irish and Scottish heritage, my ancestors and I know well the history, the legacy of colonialism and residential schools. And here in Canada, we have said never again. And if we mean that, then it can be never again anywhere. Anywhere. Because an injustice for one is injustice for all. So know that I stand with you and I bring your voice to Queen's Park in a number of ways. One of the things that is coming up is Tibet Day, and I hope many of you will come out next month for Tibet Day to meet other parliamentarians who are decision makers. I hope you know that we are bringing students into Queen's Park in our summer program. And we are continuing the legacy of my predecessor, Butula Karpoche, Sherry DeNovo, of having the Ontario Parliamentary Friends of Tibet. And we will keep that growing strong until Tibet is free. Friends, I know that coming to stand with you in front of the Chinese consulate might mean that I might not be able to go to China anymore. but I tell you this, one day we will all go to a free Tibet. Pergula! 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 Thank you. Thank you, MP Gilmore, for your steadfast support and your incredible words of encouragement. Now let us make sure our voices are heard inside these walls. I'd like to invite Chiman Hamala to say a few words and lead our prayer, our chants.
Kuta tilone tilo tembarsho. Jari junur kusi tilone tilo tembarsho. Joishu kuta tilone tilo tembarsho. Buki dambo. Jama bunne. Jama bunne. Bubukshi. Macha. Femsho macha. Macha. Femsho macha. Tunamyo. Femsho macha. Pajalo! James junur kusi tilone tilo tembarsho. Kuta tilone tilo tembarsho. Long live Dalai Lama! Long live Dalai Lama! Tibet is never part of China! Tibet is never part of China! Tibet is never part of China! Tibetan belongs to Tibetan belongs to Tibetan! Free Tibet! China out! Stop the genocide in Tibet! Stop the killing in Tibet! Tibet is never part of China! Macha! Save you Macha! Buki Dambo! Jama Bunne! Pajukshe! Jama Bunne! Pajukshe! Macha! Save is not part of China! Communist Party out of Tibet now! Communist China out of Tibet now! Communist Party out of Tibet now! Communist China out of Tibet now! Communist Party out of Tibet now! Tibet now! Tibet belongs to Tibetan! Tibet belongs to Tibetan! Tibet belongs to Tibetan! Tibet is not Tibetan! Tibet is not Tibet is not part of China! Tibet is not part of China! Hello media! In Tibet! Hello media! In Tibet! Stop! Killing in Tibet! So you and now! Wake up! You and now! What we want! We want freedom! What we want! We want freedom! United Nation! We want justice! United Nation! We want justice! United Nation! We want justice! Wake up! United Nation! Wake up! Tibet is not! Tibet is not! Tibet is not part of China! Pegalo! Jaim junur kuchi tilone tilo tembarsho! Kuchi tilone tilo tembarsho! An samala tikjinche ane tadari sumji dudere sonja chironzo ane Cambodia yona sonja jarumbuji kilazare ngazo Toronto ge daw jami johnson kola kadu na shiwilingi pikeyo chironzo la haksamdo larja da murgu shenko yona everyone in the la pepsho nga charatonari konjamnari nyama kazit sawinari dela yo an pajalo!
Together!